I'm Ali and I'm going to talk about the BlissBlender Pro. We are currently in Camberwell, about 10 k's from the border of Queensland and Northern Territory. As you can see, we're camping in this beautiful space and beautiful backdrop that we have here. Beautiful bird life, and now getting a little bit hungry, so I thought, well, why don't I have a smoothie? I'll grab my BlissBlender and show you how easy it is. That's the size. It takes up to 500 mils, and today's going to be a very basic one because we haven't hit the shops yet. Normally it would be banana and a little bit more fruit, and if it gets a little bit heavy and frozen, or you're using frozen products, just make sure you're kind of slowly turning it and inverting it to graduate the heavy products and give them a chance to blend up. So if you find that it's not blending straight away, or your heavy products are down the bottom, then just slowly give it a little turn. But for today, a very simple product. My smoothie will be consisting of cold water. Pouring that in. I'm not really looking at the amounts. And a little bit of almond milk. Whatever milk you like to use, that's fine. And then we'll add 1 scoop of protein powder. Again, this is personal choice, it doesn't matter what it is. If I was at home, I'd add a lot more stuff, but today basic. I'll just check this out and see how easy it is for on-the-go smoothies. Stay healthy, stick to your diet. Whatever you're trying to achieve, this will still work while you're out camping. This is just a little bit of instant oats, just gives a little bit more fullness. Put that in there. Okay, so that cap just simply screws on. And there's the button there. It is charged before I got it out of the box and took it with me. I made sure it was fully charged, so we'll just press that. Off it goes. Blending up nicely to your desired consistency. It's getting full. I'll turn it off. So you can hear the noise of the motor changes slightly to hear that it's getting full and frothy and lovely. So then we simply turn it upside down, open this up. Hopefully I haven't made it too full. Unscrew the bottom part. And that now is your cup. And that is ready to drink. And I would definitely recommend this blender. It's easy on the road, traveling. You could make one, you know, if you were the passenger in the car and you wanted a smoothie on the go. Anywhere you want to be,